Hey there, it's Mark. Here's a Matchbox snippet from a Race Grooves presentation. Now, I had mentioned trailers before. This pack right here, Farm Rigs, it had this cool little, I don't know if this is a sewing, I don't know what the name of this is, but that's pretty cool. If they're going to put things with trailers, if they're going to put vehicles with hitches, they should have 5-packs or singles with the things that can be towed. Now, if you're looking for the travel trailer, this is the travel trailer. It was in the Outdoor Adventure 5-pack. Here's another one. This is from a 2-pack. But anyways, there's also a 5-pack that was called Camping Adventure. So if you want to pick up a trailer, like a little motorhome travel trailer, it's in this pack. Now, as far as this, I'll let you have a close-up look at the models. This truck right here, beautiful paint job. This is the only pack I ever found. It's a 2010, I think, copyright, so it might be 2011 in the stores. But it showed up in Target later, like a couple years later. And this is the only pack I ever found. So I don't want to open it up because it's the only pack I have. Sorry. But it's a pretty cool pack. I should show you a close-up of this one to show you that it's not like a trailer to where you would have bales of hay and give tours on the farm. It's actually like a bucket type thing. So I'm not sure exactly. Maybe you would put hay in there, and then maybe while you're driving around you got a pitchfork and you start shoveling it out to feed the animals. I don't know. Let me know what this exactly would be used for. Since the Acre Maker had that little hitch, let's go ahead and open him up first. He's kind of an ideal candidate, I think, for towing around that red vehicle. The hitch sticks out nice and far. Let's see how well it works with this one here. This came in a 5-pack too. It's got a little boat trailer. Let's hook it up. That should be over here to where you can see. I have something light through there so you can see, and it's not too much colors. Oh, this one's different. I don't remember this hitch. Hold on, let's do this one first. Motorhome, please, we need a travel trailer. So this one. Yeah, it fits. This one works pretty good. Pretty good. But this little boat trailer, I remember this thing was not good for the 5-pack. It was really hard to get this thing in here. That's why I don't like to talk about this 5-pack that had the boat. See, look, no good. It's on there so tight, look. No good. But if you have the travel trailer, you wouldn't exactly be using this vehicle with your travel trailer, but it works pretty good. Here's a look at the front. Now let's go ahead and bring out, up next, let's talk about, somebody else have a hitch? Nope, nope, nope. Okay, we'll talk about next for this one. We'll go ahead and take a look at Travel Tracker. This one reminds me of this, I think Sahara Survivor is one that it reminds me of, but it also reminds me of Desert Thunder. You guys remember that cartoon? That movie? Yeah, that was an entertainment 5-pack. So it kind of reminds me of Desert Thunder a bit, but it also reminds me of the Sahara Survivor. Let me make sure that's the name before I bring them out. Sahara Survivor. It's probably more like Sahara Survivor. Now that I look at these two, no, it's nothing like Sahara Survivor. Because in the back of Sahara Survivor, it's just for gear. You can't put people back there. But this looks like it's got benches. Looks like benches, like you would be taking people, towing, transporting them. Let's see if this pops off. And it might not be intended to pop off. Oh, there it goes. There you go. Let's have a look at the inside. Hey, how many people? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, 10 people. You got a little spot here, maybe emergency supplies in case of an accident or something. And check out the front. Got a motorcycle. So this way, if a cheetah is chasing you, you can hop on your motorcycle. I don't know if that's gonna. Oh yeah, check out the roof. It's got some details on the roof too. I don't know if that motorcycle is gonna help you to escape from a cheetah. You know, cheetahs, they're pretty fast. They could be standing still and get 40 miles an hour in 2 seconds. 40 miles an hour in 2 seconds. That's fast. Now that's a 65 kilometers for you guys who don't use the miles. But the top speed 70 miles an hour. I don't think this little motorcycle is going to do you any good. I don't think you're going to get to 70 miles an hour. And you know how I'll do this later. You know how I knew all that? I looked it up. I wrote it down on the back of the package. I don't have that stuff memorized. Ground grabber. This one's pretty neat. Look in the middle there. Look, you can see a gap in between the black and the yellow. So I wonder if it's going to pivot or rotate here or here. Gotta know. Gotta find out. It does not look like the arm moves. The arm looks like it's fixed in place. Let's see. Does it? Oh! Ooh! I was not expecting that. Now you can't move the bucket, but for imagination, it's kind of neat. And there you go, just as I suspected. That's pretty neat. Pretty neat. I'm sure little fellas will like this added movement. You have two areas of articulation or movement. That's pretty cool. Or maybe you want to be like a lobster and attack your other vehicles. So, time for you to go. Pretty nice. What do you think about this? Brand new model for 2014. You're not a new model. You're a new model. Let's check out the fourth new model that was in the bunch. I think that's 4. Did I open 4? The Trail Tracker. Now when you look at this, it kind of resembles something else. You guys who've been around a couple of years with Matchbox, you probably know. Pretty nice. Triple axle. Let's see. Who does he look like? How about the Yamaha Rhino? That's who it resembled for me, but it's nicer. Look, triple axle, 6 wheels. This is a 2-seater. Yeah. Oh, 1-seater. This one only has a driver's seat, no passenger. Sorry. I don't see a spot for it, unless you want to stand on your knees over there. Yep, there's no spots, just got a flat area. Put your coffee or whatever. Hey, a little ladder for you to get in. Oh, you don't get in on this side. Oh, get in on either side. Why would they do? I guess, I guess that's so you can climb up and put your gear on the passenger seat. There's a look at the back. This would be like for river rescue or something, wouldn't it? It doesn't look like a safety pontoon or something. Oh, MBX Rescue. Very good. Look, this kind of looks like a stretcher. Doesn't this look like a stretcher, like you're going to help somebody? Yeah, emergency vehicle. I'm liking it even more. A little look at the top details. I'm a fan of triple axle stuff, even though it slows them down on the track. Obviously, this is not meant for, a track. But I like this model. I'm going to get a few colors of this. Yamaha Rhino, I got a couple colors of that one too. Now let me talk about 2 more vehicles from this. I had mentioned about the, which one? This one. The Oshkosh M-ATV. I mentioned that I put an Instagram video. I'll have a link for that Instagram video in the description. You might need to be on a phone or mobile device for it to work, so it opens in the Instagram app. I don't know, but I did a little video with this one here, and it was nothing special. Don't worry about it. Here's what I thought it was. MBX Heroic Rescue. It's called the International MXT. And the Oshkosh M-ATV. Pretty nice. And that's why I kind of was stuck on the video, because I was looking at it thinking, I swear I've seen that one before. But while you're here, oh yeah, I put some notes. Oh yeah, this is the video that I showed this other one for. I'll try to remember to put a link in the description if you want to see the case that this came from. June 28, 2013. International. It was 2013 J case. But what's interesting is they're both Ford. I'm looking at the back. They both have the GM. I said Ford. Wait a second. It says Ford official license, GM, Oshkosh. And then this one says Ford, GM, Ford. Oh, these are switched. But this says international, or international and Oshkosh related. Is Oshkosh a brand of the sub-brand of international? I'm not sure. And as far as VW must be for something else on the package. Anyways, let me know. And last up, we're going to show the Groundbreaker. Groundbreaker's not a new model. I had opened it up before. Here's a previous. This is pretty neat. It's got a moving features so that you can do your bulldozing or whatever. Here's a silly bulldozer that, where'd he go? I'll find him in a second. But this works. On the base of this, it has 2 copyright dates. It has the original copyright date of 2006, I think it was, 2006, but now it has another copyright date. So when they changed the copyright, they had to renew the copyrights, but it also says 2006, 2013. This one had the moving. I hope that this feature stayed. We're going to find out at the same time. Ready, set, go. Yay! The only thing is the hitch is different. The hitch is really stubby now compared to how it was before. Before the hitch had a triangle, and now it's a square. Let's see the difference. This one works better, right? So the other one, yeah, hook's nice. You may be excused. Now this one, they changed it, but how's it hook? Okay, good. Still good. It's a little heavy for the, it's a little heavy for the, boing, 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 boing. Now, it's kind of interesting. You have the Bulldozer in that pack, and then you also had your Lizard Buster, which is more like a plow. It's got a little plow in the front. Plow is not movable. This is movable. Here's another vehicle that was out a while back. Here we have the highway maintenance truck. This one, the plow moves side to side. It does not move up and down. Here we have the Quarry King. This one had some movement, not very good, but it did have some movement. If you like bulldozers, this one works very well. The Quarry King works okay. This was in the case, so this doesn't have any movement at all. See, it's a part of the base. All that metal is all one piece. Oh yeah, here is the old Bulldozer from the Hero series. About 10 years ago, 2002, 2003. I have been collecting for over 20 years, and sometimes I decide, well, I don't want something anymore. I put it up in my eBay store, Mr. Grooves, just like this channel. My collector channel and my collectibles go on Mr. Grooves. The link is in the description below. Thanks for watching. Happy collecting. Bye-bye.